Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. We are at our local Home Depot and we want to go in and see what kind of holiday deals they have going on. I know they got something good in there, so I'm ready to go. Let's go check it out. I want to see some tools on sale. All right, so we were here last week and we thought we had these videos on lock. And to be honest, there was a lot more stuff here. And we're a little disappointed now because we don't have as much to show you guys as we did last week, but our footage got corrupted. So please be patient with us, but we're gonna rock through this video and show you guys some new stuff. Okay, stuff we found tonight. So the first thing is there's a 2-pack of 7¼ inch Avanti Pro carpenter blades, 24 teeth for $5.88. So that's less than $3 a piece for some throwaways, man. I use these all the time. They're a great blade for demo and just destruction. So if you gotta cut through nails and you're caring about your blades, or sometimes I'll even throw one on if I have to cut siding, a new one, because sometimes when you cut siding, you start cutting through nails and stuff and it just hammers your blades. I still have a few of these left. I bought a bunch last year and I think it was about the same price. So I'm kind of surprised that they were able to, during all this inflation and everything, they're able to still keep the price at $5.88. Probably one of the best deals you're gonna find at Home Depot is a couple of these blades. I spy a couple others over here though for a little bit more money, a little more quality. Let's go check those out.
I thought we were done for.
Hey, let's keep rocking it. Oh, by the way, guys, we're in Home Depot right now. We are not being sponsored. We are doing this on our own dime. We're taking our own time out of our work days to come and show this to you. So no sponsor by Home Depot, okay? Just so you know. All right, these are one of my favorites. These are Diablo 2-pack for $12.88. So for $6.44, you can again get a 24 tooth blade. These are a little bit nicer in my opinion. They're gonna cut a little bit sharper, a little bit cleaner in your wood. Let's say you're framing a deck. These are great framing blades for those rear handle cordless saws that we all use. I buy these, again, by the 2-pack for that price, I'll buy 10 of them. I'll spend $60, $70 and then I'll have saw blades for the rest of the year or for the next year. That's why I like these holiday deals, because you can come in and make sure if you buy the right amount of blades, you don't have to go back to the store to buy them. They're always gonna be in your kit. So definitely a deal, I think, for $12.88. Also for $12.88, and again, I bought some of these last year, these Diablo jigsaw blades, really digging those, sweet deal. And I still have some of these left and they work wonderful. And also for that same price, I like this kit because I go through the 1s and the 3/4 inch and the 5/8 quite a bit. Some of these other sizes I don't really go through so much, but when you're banging these up, when you're running through nails, through wood, and you're trying to feed wires and you're hitting up those kind of stuff, I do a lot of throwaways. So for 12 bucks, you know, that's the price of like 2 bits in the tool corral, right? So for $12.88, again, what a deal. Like 70% savings. I don't know if it's that much, guys, but it's not a terrible deal. Last week when we were here, this kiosk was 3 times this size. There was 3 of these dudes hanging up, and now there's just one. I'm kind of surprised at how much this display has shrank as we get towards Christmas. And we're sorry for putting these videos out so late, but we're doing the best we can with what we got, okay? So let's get back to the savings. Okay, again, probably one of my favorite deals. These are carbide 12-inch 2-pack, 12-inch pruning, fast clean wood. This is what I'm talking about right here. Fast clean wood, carbide reciprocating blades. You get 2 of them for $12.97. That's banging price, man. I'm used to paying $12.97 a piece. I'd buy these in 5-packs and I'd be paying 50, 60 bucks for them. So I don't know how they did it, but there's some 9-inch blades for $9.47. You get 2 of them for $9.47 for 9-inch, or you get a 2-pack of 12-inch for $12.97. I actually bought a bunch of these. They're still in the back of my car, as a matter of fact. Obviously, if you have tools and you have saws, you gotta have good blades. The reason I like carbide is because it just lasts a lot longer than a standard blade does. You're not tearing it up as fast. Got a couple deals on 10-inch and 12-inch saw blades. You know, getting this one for 27 bucks, 28 bucks a piece. Not terrible. You know, you get two 12-inch 44 tooth general purpose saw blades. Not a bad price. And if you did want a few more drill bits, paddle bits, spade bit set, for 20 bucks, you can get a larger assortment with some larger sizes, bigger than 1 inch. So not a bad deal there either for $19.88. There's also some sanding discs. There's a 60 pack of Diablo 5-inch sand net for $30 for all you people that are sanding all of your custom made wood projects. All right, we talked about these the other day. You buy one for $19.97. If you buy 3, you save 10 bucks. So that's what I did. I bought 3 of these. So I got 6 knives for $50. So I was paying less than $10 a piece. So about $8.50 each, 8 something a piece. It's not bad because we keep losing these. I keep buying these and they keep disappearing on the job site. So I bought 6 more just so everybody can have a flip out, press and flip knife. I love these knives. I still have my original Fastback from like 4 years ago. And I can't get rid of it. Like, it's my favorite knife. I just hope it doesn't break because I don't have another one. I've had 3 of them. They do wear out, but this is a good deal, in my opinion. They also have some squares and tapes. You can get 2 25-foot Milwaukee tape measures for 20 bucks. So that's $10 each. That's a pretty sweet deal. It's got a pretty good standout. It's similar to a Fat Max. I just, you know, for me, Fat Maxes are the way to be. Like, that's my favorite tape. Unfortunately, they don't have a Fat Max. A lot of curious people tonight, huh? It is what it is, man. Security gave me the eye, but they just kept walking, so it's all good. We're gonna get you guys the deals, man. We're gonna share our information. I want a Fat Max, and I want a deal on my Fat Max, and I don't see it, so we're gonna keep looking and see if we can find that Fat Max. But let's go around these little space around here and see if there's anything else we missed from the other day. Like, okay, I think over at the competitor, we found some deals on oscillating blades, so we'll get back to you on that. This is an 8-pack for 40 bucks, so that's $5 each, so, I mean, it's not bad. It comes in a really cool case. You can hold on to it like that. There's quite a few of these left, but people have been buying them, you know? When you know there's a deal, like the other day we walked in here, we knew there was a deal on a couple things because they were all missing. They're just completely out of them. And it didn't take them long to sell out. So those are all gone now. That kiosk is completely removed out of the situation. There's various drill bits and blades. I don't really know if this is a deal. They're saying it's 39 bucks for 24.88. I think they should drop that at $10 and then it'd be a deal. Okay, in my opinion, you need some throwaway bits, right? And you don't want to spend a ton of money, and half of these you're not going to use. But for 10 bucks, for $9.97, and they're usually 14, so they're knocking 30% off their standard price for a $10 stocking stuffer. For 10 bucks, I don't think that's a bad deal. And you get a 1/2-inch bit in that set, which I bought 3 last year of a different brand, and I'm bummed because it didn't have the 1/2-inch. That's a deal. What's this for 6? For $6, you can get a smaller set, but you don't have the 1/2-inch bit. I would spend $4 more because that one drill bit's worth more than 4 bucks, right? You got to think about the value. I don't think I saw this the other day. This is $29.88. They're claiming it's a $200 value. I don't know, man. It might be. The case is kind of cool. It's got some... Man, I should open this up. I should open this up, shouldn't I?
Can't.
Why?
That's why.
Oh, it's zip tied, dang it. Well, we can go get some pliers and fix that.
No.
There's some nice bits in here, nut drivers, and then there's some socket head adapters that fit a 1/4-inch bit, or for your impact drivers and things like that. I might buy one for 30 bucks. There's only 2 of them left. So somebody's been buying them. Okay, and this is something we did. This is what I did. I bought these DeWalt Atomics, and they are 20 bucks for 2. So they're $10 a piece. So this is what my crew gets to use. I spend $10 on their tape measures. What I do is I buy 10 of these. I want everybody on the job site to have the same tape measure. We have a video out. They're all the same length, and they're not. So if you're using 3 different types of tape measures on your job site, you're gonna get 3 different measurements, and everybody's gonna be cutting at 3 different lengths. That's why I like to go this, and then I always check, periodically I check and make sure everybody's end of their tapes are square or tight, and make sure that there's no bent ends, because that'll throw your, that's a quick tip from the doctor. Make sure these are nice and flat, because if they're not, then you're gonna have an issue when it comes time to get those measurements correct. Or you can bend them all the same, and then you can get the same measurement. See? If you need bits and you want some nut drivers and some magnetic stuff, which I love magnetic nut drivers, they just work better. They hold the fasteners better. So I don't know if you can see inside of there, but you can see that these two are magnetic. So those are awesome. That's probably worth the price of this whole kit if for $9.97 is those two magnetic nut drivers. And then you get all the rest of the stuff for free. What do you think of that? Huh? $10. For all you screwdriver fans, last year, I had some upset people because I didn't show the deal on the screwdrivers. Here you go. Here's a really high quality set of DeWalt, 2 Phillips, 2 standards, $16.88. Yeah, you're gonna pay a little bit more. Maybe it's not the best deal, but they're quality. They're gonna last a long time. Throw those in your toolbox. As long as you don't lose them, you'll use them. All right, guys, so last week we were here, and you can get a 3-pack of Lumen headlights for $9.97. I bought these last week and there are none left. It's all flashlights. You can get 3 flashlights. I'm sure you can go to a different Home Depot and probably find different deals. We just happen to be at this particular one. No, man, they're gone. I actually went on Amazon and I thought I was doing good. I bought 4 headlamps for $10 a piece, because when you leave for work in the dark and you come home in the dark and you have to load and unload things before and after work, it's just cool to have a headlamp on. You just turn it on and then you can really see what's going on versus trying to do it in the dark. So I'm starting to put one in every car, and for probably $3.32 a piece. We're getting down to the end of this, guys. We're almost at the end of the kiosk, the row of the deals at Home Depot. And I think this one's a deal. How many times have you gone and looked for your hex key and it hasn't been there because you lost it, or you set it down somewhere and you didn't put it back in your kit? So for $9.97, you can get the standard and the metric and have a nice hex key set. Or you get the fold out kind where you don't lose the hex key, you just lose the entire piece. And then you gotta go back and buy it again, right? So $10, it's a good deal. I don't think this is a deal on this knife. I like those flip out Milwaukee ones better. Don't tell nobody. All right, guys, if you need some chisels, you get 3 for $10, Stanley's. So they're quality, they're sharp. Just don't use them on concrete and you'll be fine. But not bad, you know, they're not the best, world's best chisels, but they work. And here's my pick. We're gonna go back in the weeds a little bit here. Who remembers these? Your classic Stanley Power Lock 25 footer. Did you ever pay $8 for one? Not even back in 1985 were these $8. They were always 15, and I can get them for half that now. I think I'm gonna make this my pick of the day. This is the one thing that probably rings true to me because it gives me that old school nostalgia. It doesn't have the standout of a Fat Max. It's a piece of crap, but it's a nice tape still. It reminds me of things. So definitely think about, for $8, throw that in your dad's stocking and see if they smile or not. The doctor told me to buy this for you, Dad. All right, guys. Well, there's some sweet deals for 2023 at your local Home Depot. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that bell icon if you want to be notified when we're putting out new content. Let me know if you're gonna go buy some stuff in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, guys. Thanks for watching so much. We really appreciate you coming to this channel and watching our content. Thanks so much. Have a great day.